Saha bahushu vishayeshu asaktaha. Bahushu, in many, vishayeshu, in things. Bahu is many. What in many?
Right.
Vishayeshu or vidyasu or bahu kalasu. Kalasu means in arts. Bahu vishayeshu, in many subjects or many things. Saha
Yeah.
bahu vishayeshu ashana asaktaha, interested.
Awesome.
Asha is hope.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't know the correct
That's
word.
what.
Yeah.
So what Sanskrit means? Sanskrit means Vag ardhau iva sampraktau. Again, come to the same sloka of Kalidasa.
So how do we translate many interests?
Many. Bahu vishayeshu asaktaha. So in English, there is no clarity. Many interest means what? Interest in what? Many means
many
everything.
interests.
He is not interested
Right.
in everything.
Yeah.
He is interested in various subjects, or he is interested in various arts. He is interested in various concepts.
Yeah, various activities.
Activities, yeah. What we should say? Bahushu vishayeshu asaktaha. He is interested in many different things.
Okay.
Or vidya vishayeshu. Vidya vishayeshu nama?
Vidya Vishayeshu.
He interested
Education. Education. Like
various educations.
Right.
Shastra vishayeshu. Bahu shastra vishayeshu.
Yeah, many fields.
Bahu jantu shastra vishayeshu.
Animal related. Geology.
Vanya vishayeshu.
Forest related.
Bahushu jyotisha vishayeshu.
Astrology.
Vishayeshu. Evam. So bahushu vishayeshu, many subjects. Bahushu vishayeshu.
Bahushu. Is it Bahushu or Bahu?
Bahushu vishayeshu. Rhythmically, it sounds good. The statement sounds good. Bahu vishayeshu. What is Bahu? Bahu is many subjects.
Yeah.
In many subjects. So it's a beauty in Sanskrit to just give the same vibhakti and same vachana to the previous word. The related word. Bahushu vishayeshu.
Okay. Bahushu vishayeshu.
Bhakti bahushu bhakteshu vartate. What it means?
Yeah. So
Bhakti bahusheshu bhakteshu
bahushu bhakteshu
bahushu
bhaktasu. Bhaktasu. Bahushu bhaktasu vartate. So bhakti will be there in many devotees. In many devotees. So devotees, in is related to devotees and even in many. So rhythmically it sounds good. Bahushu bhaktasu. Yeah. Next. Sa vidyalaye saha vidyalaya brunde tennis kridati. Uttamam. Vidyalaya patrike prakashakaha cha lekhakaha. What is this? Let us correct the sentence.
Yeah, that is, he is an editor for the school paper as well as a contributor.
Vidyalaya patrike. It should be the single word in samasa. Vidyalaya patrike, vidyalayasya patrike, vidyalaya patrike. Single word, okay. Prakashakaha, lekhakaha cha. This is fine. Prakashakaha cha lekhakaha. Lekhakaha is fine, but cha should be in the ending. Such that Vidyalaya patrike, saha, prakashakaha. Prakashaka is a publisher, right? Who is first? Lekhaka is first or publisher is first?
Yeah, I didn't know. Well, I have an English dictionary, English to Sanskrit. That
so see, that's all the process of creating a sentence. I accept, that's not a big deal. First is a publisher or a writer? What editor. In the process, what comes?
He's an editor.
Even then, first edits, first writing or editing. What is the first process?
First processing is he contributes and then he also edits.
No. First writing comes or editing comes in the processing of publishing.
No, editor means he reviews all the articles that are coming
Yeah,
in.
Swami.
And
What is the process of publication? First writing comes or editing comes?
Writing.
writing.
So what you should do here is Saha Vidyalaya Patrike Lekhakaha Prakashakascha. Writing should come before, na?
Okay.
Okay. So the first, he is a writer, as well as the next level, he is editor also. Also comes in the ending.
So, how do we say he's a contributor?
Yeah, that's okay. He is fine, but only one thing is Vidyalaya Patrike Saha Lekhakaha Prakashakascha. Prakashakaha cha together Prakashakascha. Just one word here or there. This is fine.
Now,
Saha.
Prakashakascha is the right word for
Yes,
editor?
yes. Prakashakaha plus cha Prakashakascha is the right word.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
No, the right word is Prakashaka, but when you're adding it, I think it is Prakashaka.
Visarga Sandhi,
Yeah, yes,
Prakashakascha,
Sandhi.
that's it.
That is Sandhi. Yeah.
Hmm. What is the next one? Saha Shochane Vishwavidyalayam Gachati. What is this Shochane?
He is thinking of going to
He's
university.
thinking. What is thinking? Thinking comes under which tense? Thinking, going, eating.
Present. participle.
Khadati, chintayati,
Chintayati.
alochana karoti. Okay. So, saha Vishwavidyalayam gantum, to go. We already had a
Yeah, Gantum.
to go.
Gantum.
Bhoktum, to eat.
Yeah, Gantum Sochana
Gantum
Karoti.
alochana karoti.
Alochana Karoti.
Saha Vishwavidyalayam gantum alochana karoti.
Karoti. Okay.
Very good. Apikaha pathane anischaha. What is that?
That is to study for higher studies.
Unnata vidyadhyayanam. To higher studies, what he wanted to do?
Unnata Vidyayam Karoti.
What he wanted to do? What he wanted to tell in that last line? Okay, but doesn't know, but does not know what what field to pursue. That's what you want to tell, right?
Right. Yeah.
Saha
He hasn't made up his mind yet.
vidyamshe adhyayanam iti anishchitaha. Nishchitaha decided.
Okay.
Anishchitaha
Undecided.
not decided. Saha
Yeah.
vidya vishaye anishchitaha. Very simple. Saha
Anishchita.
vidya vishaye. And which subject and educational topic? Anishchitaha. Anishchitaha means not
Uncertain.
Okay.
Undecided.
Now I'll tell Bhikshapatiji. See here, what do you want to tell Bhikshapatiji? You want to get up at 6:30 or what?
Yeah, 6:30.
Means three
Three
shana. It
minutes.
is Sardha Shadvadanam. We had a time. Do you remember
Yes.
Sardha Shadvadanam?
Yes, I know that, but I wanted to say 30 minutes.
No, you said Trini. Trini means only three. What is 30 then?
Oh,
Trimshat.
Trimshati or Tridasha.
Tridasha. Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
Trimshati. Shadvadanantara Trimshati Nimisheshu Uttishthami. You said only
Trimshati.
3. Means 6:03.
Three.
You will wake up at 6:03 exactly. That's what I got. Hare.
Yeah, it's a Trimshati.
Or Sardha is easy. Sardha Shadvadanam.
Sardha Shadvadanam.
Simple and easy. Yeah.
So when you're talking about time, let us say, I want to say the journey will take 1 hour and 10 minutes. How do I say that?
Dashanimesha uttara Ghantavadanam.
Gantavadan. Okay. Okay.
Ghantadvayam.
Okay.
What is Ghantadvayam?
2 hours.
What is 3 hours then?
3 hours.
What is 3 hours in Sanskrit?
I didn't.
3
It is
ghanta,
Eka Ghanta is 1 hour.
1 hour.
2 hours.
Ghanta dvayam,
Very good. What is 3 hours?
Gantatrayam.
Very good. What is 4 hours?
Ganta Chatushtayam.
Ghanta Chatushtayam. Very good. If it is 5,
Ghanta panchami.
Ghanta Panchakam.
Panchakam.
That's it. Okay. Okay. So you gave a very good big samasa here in second statement.
त्रीणि निमिष अधिक शतवादनम् उत्तिष्ठामि शौचकर्म स्नानादि पर्यन्तं
Shaucha karma snanadi paryantam. It's a very big word. Okay. Good.
देव पूजा कुर्वन्ति
Deva puja kurvanti. Are you telling about you or somebody?
Myself,
If you are telling what you
Karomi.
should say is kurvanti, is which like purusha, like kurvanti, is you are doing or someone is doing?
Romi.
karomi, should be actually karomi.
It should be karomi. Kurvanti means
They are
Somebody,
doing.
we are doing. So
Yes.
you got up at 6:03 and someone is doing snana sandhya puja. So it should be karomi.
karomi, yeah.
Very good. Next.
Tadanantaram alpaharam khadami.
खादामि
Very good.
दशवादनकाले अहं चतुश्चक्रवाहनेन कार्यालयं गच्छामि
Fantastic.
कार्यालयाये भोजनभाषणे रात्रि सप्तवादनकाले गृहं
What is this? Karyalaye bhojana bhajane means what?
Bahujana bhashane. I was
Bahujana
talking to many
bhashane.
people.
Bahujana bhashane means what?
Interacting
Bhashane,
with
which
many
vibhakti?
people.
Bhashane.
Yeah. Kale.
Bhashane
Le-
is saptami.
Saptam.
In the talk
yeah.
or on the talk. So what you should just write a small thing, small amendment is Karyalaye Bahujanaihi Saha, along with many people, Sambhashanam Krutva.
Sambhashanam krutva.
Krutva is another tva. We already practiced krutva after talking, bhuktva after eating, gatva after going. After talking with many people, sambhashanam krutva,
आगच्छामि
graham agachami.
स्नानानन्तरं त्रीणि निमिषं पूजा
3 years. It is again 30.
That's what I thought. Arey, he's doing only 3 minutes puja. I thought. Is it exactly 3 minutes possible? Okay. What you should
30
say?
minutes. The Trishanti.
Or
Trishati.
another one. Trimshati.
Trimshati. Sorry.
Trimshati.
Vimshati.
Ah.
Vimshati.
कृतवान् भार्या सहित दूरदर्शन पश्यामि च
Sahita bharyaya saha. Bharyaya saha along with wife. If something
Bharyaya.
is done completely, you are talking about past, then sahita.
Yeah.
Okay. After watching TV, you should say that. You will watch TV with your wife means bharyaya saha. Doordarshanam. Pashyam.
भोजनं करोमि
Pashami.
Bhojanam.
Bhojanam.
Karomi. Uttamam.
Kar-
तदनन्तरं
Acharya.
Cha is not required there. Cha, because I want to say that I will do together.
Bharyaya saha. Bharyaya
Bharya-
saha is equal to cha. Along
Oh.
with. Saha is along with equal to cha.
Okay.
Uttamam.
How do you say a few people? do
Bahujanai saha. With few people. Tell me a sentence.
No, I had difficulty in composing that.
Hey, English. Tell me the sentence in English.
Yeah.
Narayan
If
Bhaji,
you
last
pe-
class we had a
if you-
very fun
yeah.
class last week, you know.
Yeah,
A
I
few
could,
people,
I was not feeling well. Yeah.
No, that's what actually I wanted to take the class to some other level, but it went to some other level, and we wrote.
It has not been,
class,
it
you
has
know.
not been posted, Acharya ji.
That's the problem in the trance of class. I forgot to record the class.
Oh, I see.
In the ending, I remember, but I can't do anything. Na? We translated all the great sayings into shlokas.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
yeah, it
Datji, you are
was
telling
an-
something.
yeah, a few people perform puja
Mhm.
and instead of saying all people do that, you know, I have to look back at my notes here.
Able to see the white screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell me your sentence. Let us write.
I will tell you what I wrote.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the sentence.
Mhm.
Just 1 second. Yeah, people wake up early morning, go to the toilet first, then
Generally, toilet is a word we don't use.
I know, but
Okay. Shaucha karyam
yeah,
or shuddhi karyam
Sauchakal,
or snanantam.
yeah, Sauchakali, right.
Deha
Yeah.
shaucham.
Yeah, then but that's Sanskrit, but I'm telling you in English what I,
Okay,
what
that's
I-
okay. That's okay. But what do you want to tell about the people? You are saying
yeah,
something.
then brush their teeth and complete their
So
daily
everything is
chores.
same. Only
Yeah.
instead of aham, Swami.
If you perform,
Hmm.
if you perform puja,
Hmm.
so instead of saying everybody performs puja,
Huh.
a few people perform puja. Like Bhakshapati ji, you know, not too many perform puja.
Okay. So that's what instead of writing aham, instead
No,
of
no,
writing,
it's not aham.
that's
I'm
what
talking
instead.
of-
Instead
yeah, I'm
of writing
talking of people.
aham, you
Yeah.
should write janaha.
Yeah, jana.
Huh.
But how do you say a few people?
Kechana janaha.
Kechana janaha or katichit janaha. Jana,
Okay,
that's it. See, you can't
yeah, I
decide
wrote-
when
Yeah,
there
I
are
wrote-
Swami. When there are few means above two. If it is above two, bahuvachanam only. Whether
how
they
do you
do
say-
or they don't do it, really it belongs to them. Janaha, that's it. Janaha kurvanti, be positive. Kechit janaha kurvanti, few people will do. Kechit is few.
Kechita.
Kechit janaha. There is another word for it, katichit janaha. Katichit also few.
Oh, that's the word I'm looking for.
Kechit or katichit.
Yeah,
or
I used
kechana
the word
jana.
I used swalpa jana.
Swalpa is limited.
Right.
So
Whereas
you can say
kechita,
that, but this is kechit is a good word.
yeah, kechit is the correct word. Yeah.
Kechit jana. Now I want like two practices done, like Bhikshapati ji and Datji done. I want Narayan Pai ji to talk about any sentences about give a story. Just whatever the story you have in your mind, any story, translate in Sanskrit.
Okay.
See, just wherever the needed, we'll change the word. Like we'll just
okay.
correct it.
Okay.
Take one small story
Okay.
about Rama, Bhima, Ghatotkacha or anything.
Or Chaturaha Shrugalaha.
Okay.
Uh,
Do you have a
Kaschit-
paper or what before you?
No, I don't have any paper.
That's what. See, whatever is in mind, just tell it out. Yeah.
Yeah. Kaschit vane एकः काकः वसति स्म। एकदा सः काकः एकमांसखण्डं पश्यति। सः काकः तत् मांसखण्डं गृहीत्वा वृक्षस्य शाखायाम् उपरि स्थित्वा खादितुम् आरभति। तदा एकः शृगालः तत्र आगच्छति। शृगालः मांसखण्डं पश्यति।
दृष्ट्वा, okay, पश्यति is fine, yeah.
मांसखण्डस्य स्मेल्, what do I say?
सुगन्धः,
सुगन्धः जिघ्रति।
जिघ्राति.
जिघ्राति। Okay.
Jigrati is also fine, okay.
सः मांसखण्डं कथं गृहामि इति चिन्तयति।
गृह्णामि और स्वीकरोमि और प्राप्नोमि.
Okay.
These three are good words. Just I'm giving a synonyms to you. You are right actually.
Okay. प्राप्नोमि इति चिन्तयति।
इति बहुचिन्तयति.
बहुचिन्तयति.
Normal thinking is चिन्तयति. बहुचिन्तयति. उत्साहेन, उत्सुकतया बहुचिन्तयति. With excitement, it thinks more and more about it. Yeah.
Okay. सः एकः उपायं करोति। सः काकं प्रशंसा करोति।
Okay. Prashamsati is also right word.
Okay.
Or prashamsa karoti is also right word. You are right actually.
सः कथयति, हे काक महोदय.
Instead of, see, Swami, kathayati, instead of kathayati is right word, but vadati. Okay. Uchyate, like anything, many things are there, but kathayati is also good.
उच्यते, काक महोदय, तव वर्णः कः सुन्दर रमणीयः।
कियत् means how much. कियत् रमणीयः वर्तते.
तव स्वर अति मधुरः।
स्वरः, कंठस्वरः,
अति मधुरः।
अतीव मधुरः। अति is more, ativa is extreme.
कृपया मया मनोरंजनाय मनोरंजनाय एकं गायनं गीयसि वा। गीतं गायसि वा।
उत्तमं, गीतं गायसि वा इति प्रार्थनां करोति।
प्रशंसेन गर्वितः काकः का का इति कूजति। मांसखण्डः अधः पतति।
वेरी गुड।
अधः पतति।
या।
शृगालः झाटिति तत् मांसखण्डं गृहीत्वा।
झटिति मीन्स
ओके। तत् मांसखण्डं गृहीत्वा धावति। काकः पृच्छति, हे शृगाल, त्वं मम गानं न शृणोति। शृगालः कथति, हे मूर्खा, मया तव गानं श्रोतुं किमपि उत्साहः नास्ति।
किमपि उत्साहः नास्मि।
अहं मांसखण्डं गृहीतुम् एतत् उपायं
कृतं। लोके यः कोऽपि मानुषः, सः बालकः वा भवतु, युवकः वा भवतु, गृहस्थः वा भवतु, सन्यासी वा भवतु, वृद्धः वा भवतु, ज्ञानी वा भवतु, अज्ञानी वा भवतु, एकः लघु प्रशंसा सः स्थानात् भ्रष्टः करोति। लघु प्रशंसा, प्रशंसा कस्य प्रशंसा भवति? शरीरस्य प्रशंसा वा, गुणस्य प्रशंसा वा, विज्ञानस्य प्रशंसा वा? किं तत् सत्यं? किं प्रशंसा सत्यं भवति? मनोरञ्जनाय कथाः भवन्ति वा? अहं सम्यक् गातुं जानामि, गानं गातुं जानामि, मदुपरि बहवः विद्वांसाः भवन्ति गानविषये, मत्तः गानश्रेष्ठाः बहवः भवन्ति। यः कोऽपि आगत्य, हे आचार्य भवतः कंठस्वरम् अतीव मधुरं वर्तते इति यः कोऽपि वदन्ति, मां मया किं चिन्तितव्यं? किं धन्यवादाः प्रकटनीयं वा? प्रशंसार्थं धन्यवादाः? किम् एतत् सम्यक् कार्यं वा? एतत् कार्यं कर्तुं योग्यं वा? धन्यवादाः धन्यवादाः भवान् किं प्रशंसा कृतं मां, धन्यवादः इति सत्यं वा? इति कर्तुं शक्नोमि वा? अहं प्रथमतः ज्ञानी भवेत् यत् मत्तः बहवः श्रेष्ठाः सन्ति, एतत् प्रशंसा तेषां भवति, न मम। एतत् प्रशंसा मम गुरोः, न मम। एतत् प्रशंसा सरस्वत्याः, न मम। यदि भवान् प्रशंसां न स्वीकरोति, यदि अहं प्रशंसां न स्वीकरोमि, तर्हि मम विद्या इतोपि गच्छति। यदि अहं प्रशंसां न स्वीकरोमि, तर्हि मम अहंकारः स्थिरः भवति। यदि अहं तत् प्रशंसां न स्वीकरोमि, यदि तत् प्रशंसाम् अहं गुरोः सरस्वत्याः वा ददामि, तर्हि मम बुद्धिः स्थिरं भवति। यदि अहं तत् प्रशंसां स्वीकरोमि, यः कोऽपि आगत्य आचार्य महोदय भवतः कंठस्वरम् अतीव मधुरं वर्तते, एतत् मधुरं नास्ति। मधुरस् कंठस्वरः स्वरयुक्ताः बहवः सन्ति, तेषां कृते तत् प्रशंसा। यदि अहं स्वार्थेन अहंकारेण तत् प्रशंसां यदि अहं स्वीकरोमि, तर्हि मम सरस्वती तत्रैव भवति, तर्हि मम विद्या तत्रैव भवति, तर्हि गुरवः आशिषाः तत्रैव भवन्ति। सो प्रशंसा कदापि न स्वीकर्तव्या, नो चेत् वयं पतिताः भवेयुः। किमपि अवगतं वा?
Chiram means what?
Chiram, long time.
Long time.
It will stay for a long time. Very dangerous, na appreciation.
Yes, yes.
Flattery.
What is tatraiva bhavati?
Tatraiva. Well, you should tell what is tatraiva.
Tatra eva.
Tatraiva.
There only. It stays there only. One day I went to Haridwar for an international seminar. It happened in Raj Bhavan, Haridwar Raj Bhavan, under the supervision of governor there. Around 200 people among the world, they got call letters. I'm one among them. It was in Raj Bhavan, like all under military supervision. So we went there. Everyone are reading their biographies, their histories and all. Like I was fascinated listening to all the great people's biographies. Like, you know, many chief ministers. It's under supervision of governor means like because it's a Raja Bhasha, na? Sanskrit is also official language in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. So they organized that seminar. When many people just like fascinated. Among one, like when my paper is going to get I'm going on stage, they read my biography also. They started, he is such great and that one, that's in Sanskrit. You know, in Sanskrit generally we add more adjectives, more visheshanas. At the time I was like almost like how much, 27 years or what. Very like I know what I am, but those students of that Hardwar National Sanskrit University, they don't know me, right? They look at the biography and they are reading, he did so and so, great scholar, did MA from Osmania University, and this great scholar, every time great scholar, it is very fortunate that he is here. What fortunate you have to have me? I'm just a simple boy. I did not feel like, but somewhere inside, like it's like blasting all the crackers, you know. Inside is fine, but when I went on stage, I was like shivering like anything, because great scholars are sitting before me, many professors are sitting before me. I'm the one who is a research scholar from Usman University who got selected for that paper. But in that excitement and my mind is occupied with all the appreciations, I just forgot what to tell. Yes, at the time my teacher told me, when you go on stage, just 30 seconds, take 30 seconds time to just calm yourself, control yourself, feel you are nothing, except subject is great. When you realize subject is great, you talk about that. When you realize you are great, you talk about yourself. So no, don't do that. So realize subject is good. So I went there, just stood for 30 seconds. Then a scene was recreated, like Vivekananda is giving a speech in American conference and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is behind. In the same way, I felt my teacher is behind me and he is ready to slap me if I'm egoistic. So then I felt like subject is great. I just gave like 25 minutes or 27 minutes talk. Then afterwards, I thanked my guru for giving me confidence, because it is true. And I came down. And everyone appreciated that. I appreciated my teacher, not me. And my paper presentation is only because of the good subject, not about me or anything. I'm nothing. So when you accept appreciation, you can't just take one step ahead. Your ego will go. When you accept the subject, not the appreciation, that subject will sustain, subject will pursue. It will go a long way. So that's what my experience. When you say about appreciation, about this Kaka Kanthaswara, I just recollected the situation. So, did I talk about in Sanskrit or English now? I wanted to talk in Sanskrit actually.
You did in both.
So Prashamsa, Ativa, Madhura, Klishtacha. Appreciation is sweet, but Klishta. Klishta means difficult to handle. Uttamam. Kim yad kinchit pathamah va navinam nutanam vidyam etadeva samyak asti va katha shravanam katha srujanam.
Tava ichha.
Mamecha. Aha, uttamam. Tarhi okay. I don't know where the shlokas are. Actually, I wanted to show the shlokas of last class. Okay, I will show you something today. Next class, I'll just go to any grammar point.
No, last time, the class before last, we did only 2 samasa.
Yeah, that's what I want to tell you. But today I have. Where is this man? Can you see any screen now?
Yeah, yes.
Can you tell what is this? The first one.
Red car.
What is in Sanskrit?
Raktavarna Chatuschakrika.
When you are adding about a story, Yadi Bhavan, Vakya Nirmane Asti, Ete Upayuktaha Bhavanti. Okay? Aham red car yane chitram drashtum gachami. Instead of red car, what you can say?
Blue car.
Okay. Blue car nama?
Neela Chatuschakrika.
Ah, Neela Varna Chatuschakrika. Okay. If it is white car?
Shweta Varna.
Very good. Very good. Next one.
Aruna Gurjarakam.
Aruna Gurjarakam.
Aruna Gurjarakam. Okay.
Hmm. Next one.
Pita Varna Amraphalam.
What it means?
Yellow mango.
Next one.
Yeah. Harita Varna Patram.
Hmm.
Leaf.
Hmm.
Shweta Varna Chandraha.
Mhm.
White moon.
These are all about colors.
Yeah.
Patram, Amraphalam. You are getting all the new words here. Navina, Nutana, Shabdah.
Aham Anandam Anubhavami.
What it means?
I am experiencing happiness.
Yes.
Saha Dukkha Asti.
Instead of Saha, we can add anything, na? What we can add?
Balakaha or
Okay.
Raja.
Raja or all the nouns,
Yeah.
all the pronouns.
Okay. So
Ravanaha dukkha asti or dukkitaha asti.
Dukkita Asti. Okay. Or can we just say just Dukkitaha without Asti?
You can say.
Yeah.
You can say. Ravana dukkitaha when? In the past or in present or future?
So Dukkitaha.
So if it is asti, it is means now.
Yeah. So with just Dukkitaha, it doesn't give the tense,
No.
present tense or past tense.
Ravanaha sita dukkita. When?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's what. Kena karanena. Bhartruvyogena sita dukkita. Due to that reason, Sita was sad. Then you will understand the tense. If not, you should say the tense, na? Rasaha dukkha asti or dukkhitaha asti. Dukkhita asti. Dukkhita asit. Asit means?
Past tense.
Or dukkhita bhavishyati. Anything is fine. Next one.
Banti Lajjitaha Asti. Banti is shy.
Instead of Banti,
What is Bunty?
huh?
What is Bunty?
It's a noun.
Name.
It's just a name.
Instead of Banti, you can say Sita Lajjita asti or Krishnaha Lajjitaha asti or Anandaha Lajjitaha asti. Instead of asti also you can change the tense. Again, asit bhavishyati. Anything you can. Next.
Balakaha Utsukaha Asti. Balakaha Utsukaha.
So what you learned today? Dukkhitaha, Anandaha, Lajjitaha, Utsukaha. These are all the new words.
Yeah.
Okay, new. So I'll give you these things as homework. You need to change the noun and tense and create a new sentence. This is what the practice of learning Sanskrit.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll just we'll stop up to here, up to Bunty. Okay.
Okay.
I'll write these things. Okay, why not from here? Okay, I'll just give you it as a homework. Okay, change these sentences. One, for every one sentence, you can change 2, 3. You can make 3 sentences, right? Rakta Varna Chatuschakrika. Instead of Rakta Varna, you can add any Varna. Instead of Chatuschakrika, you can add Shatchakrika or Dvichakrika.
Yeah.
Shatchakrika means, Swami, I'll just send you your WhatsApp, don't worry. Dat Mahabhaga. Instead of Chatuschakrika, you can make Shatchakrika or is bus.
Six-wheeler.
Dvichakrika is two-wheeler. Raktavarna, you can change the colors. Okay, I'll send you these things and you do that. So let us have one small, what we can say, one I want to tell you one samasa. Very simple. What samasas we learned?
Dvanda and Dvigu we have done.
What is Dvigu samasa sutra?
Number.
In Sanskrit,
Sankhya.
Sankhya. You remember this?
Yeah. Dvigu.
Sankhya Purvo Dviguhu. Now we have another samasa called Tat Purusha. What is that? Tat Purusha samasa. Uchidam, kimetad? Kimetad? Tat Purusha
Mhm.
samasa. Tat Purusha samasa.
Samasaha.
Tat Purusha samasa.
Satpurusha Samasa.
Sana Tat Purusha.
Saha na
What happened? Tat Purusha samasa. Tat Purusha samasa. Where is my saved concepts? Yeah. I saved a very good page, easy page for you for samasa. Yes, I was checking for it. Okay, let me check here. Easy.
Purusha Samasa.
So just this Tatpurusha samasa basically comes under Tatpurusha samasa comes under Vibhakti Vijnana. Once again,
Vibhakti Vijnana.
Vibhakti Vijnana.
if you know the Vibhakti, this Tatpurusha samasa is very easy. Okay, if you know this Vibhakti, Tatpurusha samasa is very easy. Okay, let me explain you in my own paper. Able to see the screen?
Yes. Yes.
What I wrote?
Well, I mean, only Tatpurusha Samasa, that screen we can see.
Okay, so this is another paper. Yeah, now it's very easy now. So Tatpurusha samasa is based on Vibhakti. Okay, so in which Tatpurusha samasa will be like Prathama Tatpurusha or Dvitiya. It starts from Dvitiya. Dvitiya. Okay, Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Okay, so from now, what is the next one? It is Tritiya. Next one is instead of Tritiya,
Yeah.
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi, okay.
Chaturthi. Evam. Next one.
Panchama.
Very good. Panchami.
Panchami.
Panchami Tatpurusha Samasa. Next one.
Shashti.
Very good. Shashti Tatpurusha. Next one.
Saptami.
Very good.
Tatpurusha samasa.
Saptami Tatpurusha Samasa. So this will be the samasas. These many samasas will be there in this. Okay, the last one is called as Nai Tatpurusha. What is that? Nai Tatpurusha Samasa. Okay, so these will be there. So all these comes under Vibhakti only. So Tatpurusha Samasa is based on Vibhakti. So we can call it as Tatpurusha Samasaha. And we learn how it comes. Very easy. What is Dvitiya Vibhakti? Do you know what is Dvitiya Vibhakti? Generally we'll find Remember this. This Dvitiya Vibhakti examples will be based on Dvitiya Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Okay? For example, Ramam Shritaha. Associated with Rama. What happens here? This gap will be completed. You know what is samasa? Combination of two words. So
Words.
Ramam Shritaha, it becomes Ramashritaha.
Shritaha means what?
Shritaha, associated.
Associated, okay.
Okay, in the same way, if it is Krishnam Shritaha, Krishnam Shritaha.
Krishna Shritaha.
Yeah, very good. This Krishna Shritaha. Okay. If it is Gramam Gataha, Gramam Gataha, what it becomes?
Gramagataha.
Very good. So what is happening here? What is happening here? To fill the gap, the ending pratyaya suffix is missing. So ending suffixes will be deleted and two words will be joined. That is Tatpurusha Samasa. Why is Tatpurusha? We are sticking to that, sticking to the meaning of that Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti Pratyaya Anubandhaha Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Okay. So Ramam Shritaha, Ramashritaha. Krishnam Shritaha,
Krishna
Krishna Shritaha.
Shritaha.
Gramam Gataha,
Gramagata.
Gramagataha. Vanam Gataha,
Vanagataha.
Vanagata. What is happening? Suffix is missing and we are associating the two words. Okay, this is Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Okay, let us have some examples here. Okay. See, I'll just share a screen now.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm sharing.
Oh.
Did you see anything here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too small.
Okay, so the samasa is Krishna Shritaha is samasa. Okay, what is this padam? Krishnam Shritaha. This is Vyasta padam. Okay, Krishnam Shritaha Vyasta, divided word. What it happens if you associate it?
Krishna Shrita.
What is the meaning of it?
Krishna ko prapta.
Krishna ko prapto hua. So it was with the Krishna, related to Krishna. Krishnam Shritaha, Krishna Shritaha. Okay. Dukkham Atitaha, a person who just crossed, like move ahead, the Dukkham is called as Dukkham Atitaha. It becomes
Dukhatita.
Dukkha Tita. Dukkha plus Atita, Dukkha Atita. Savadira Sandhi here. Is missing. That's it. Dvidiya Vibhakti Pracheyaha Nashta. Next, Kupam Patitaha. Who fell in the well? Kupam Patitaha. What happened here?
Is missing.
Very good. Tuhinam Atyastaha. Tuhinam means in the
Snow.
snow. Atyastaha is stuck. Tuhinam Atyastaha.
Tuhinatista.
What is missing again? Is missing. Very good. Jivanam Praptaha.
Jivana prapta.
Very good. Sukham Apannaha.
Sukha.
Garvam Gartam Patitaha. Garta Patitaha. Gartam Patitaha. Garta Patitaha. That you able to see clearly?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Next, Astam Gataha means set. Person who set called Astangataha. Astagata. Is missing actually. Astangataha, Astagata. Dhanam Apannaha.
Dhanapannaha.
Very good. Gramam Gami.
Gramayami.
Grama Gami, actually, it's a mistake. Gami. Gramam Gami.
Ramagami.
You should know, you should identify the mistake now. Sometimes because Google does mistakes, right?
Yeah.
If you have subject, we can find out the mistakes even in Google. Next, Kashtam Shritaha. He is with the difficulties.
Yeah.
Kashtashritaha.
Kashtashritaha. Dirgham is not there. Kashtam Shritaha. Khatvam Arudhaha. Who is sitting on a cot. Khatvam Arudhaha.
Katvarudaha.
Very good. Mamsam Gamyaha.
Masagamya.
Okay, Masam Gamyaha.
Masagamya.
Is missing again. Varsham. Is missing. Varsham Bhogyaha.
Varshabhogya.
Very good. Swayam Krutasya. Swayam Krutasya. Swayam Krutihi. Next, Masam Pramitaha. Muhurtam Dukham. Sadness for a little time. Muhurta Dukham. Muhurtam Sukham.
Murtha Sukham.
So what is missing here? Is missing. Okay. So all these examples for Dvitiya
Dvitiya.
Tatpurusha Samasa. Okay. So I'll just give you another example for Tritiya. What is Tritiya?
Ramena.
Very good. You
Rame.
should say it is Ena.
Ena, okay.
And there are many things after Ena. Na. Do you remember that? Na? Harina, Guruna. Okay. Next. Ya, Gauriya, Matya. You remember that? In Strilinga Shabdas.
Yes.
Okay. So this Bahuvachanam also. What is Bahuvachanam? Aihi. Okay. Aihi. Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Next one. Bhihi. Haribhihi. Gurubhihi. All these are suffixes of
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritiya Vibhakti. So now, in a sentence, if you find out any meaning related to Tritiya Vibhakti, if it is missing, the suffix is missing, you can identify as it is Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Okay. For example, next one. Able to see the screen, Swami? Sorry,
Yeah.
no. Oh, yeah. What is this here?
Vyasena.
What was Vyasena Kritam?
Done by Vyasa.
Very good. Vyasena Kritam. It is Samasa Vigraha. Okay. Means Samasa, divided one. Now, what is a full word?
Vyasa Kritam.
Vyasa
What is missing here?
Ena.
Ena.
Tritiya Vibhakti suffix is missing. That's why Vyasena Kritam,
Vyasa Kritam.
Vyasa Kritam divided.
Vyasena Kritam.
So we'll practice two ways. One, I'll just tell the divided word. You should tell the joined word. If I ask the joined word, you should tell the divided word. Okay. So Vyasena Kritam,
Vyasa Kritam.
which Vibhakti it is, which Samasa it is?
Tritiya Tatpurusha.
Tatpurusha. Tritiya
Samasa.
Tatpurusha.
Very good. What is Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa? The meaning which related to Tritiya Vibhakti, and we associate two words by joining the words. Okay. Vyasena Kritam, Vyasa Kritam. Next one. Shankalaya Khandaha.
Shankula Khanda.
Shankala Khandaha. Shankala Khandaha.
Shankulaya Khanda.
Why it is Ya?
Tritiya Vibhakti Strilinga.
Very good. Because of Strilinga, we got this Pratyaya. Very good. Next one. Dhanyena Arthaha.
Dhanyartha. Dhanyartha.
Dhanyartaha. Repeat everyone. Dhanyartaha.
Dhanyartaha.
Dhanyena Arthaha.
Dhanyartha.
Dhanyarthaha.
Dhanyena Artha.
Very good. Next. Banena Vedhaha. Vedha is a shot. Banena Vedhaha.
Pranaveda.
Banavedhaha.
Banena Veda.
Banena. Next. Danena Arthaha.
Dhanartha.
Danarthaha.
Dhanena Artha.
Very good. Masena Purvaha.
Masapurva.
Masapurvaha.
He is elder than me for 1 month. Masena Purvaha. Masapurvaha. Masapurvaha.
Masena Purvaha.
Okay. Masena Avaraha. He is lesser, lower, like younger than me for 1 month. Masena Avaraha.
Masavaraha.
Masavaraha.
Masena Avaraha.
Very good. Pitra Sadrushaha means equal to father. Pitra Sadrushaha.
Pitrasadrushaha.
Pitra Sadrushaha.
Pitrasadrushaha.
Very good. Bratra Samaha.
Bhratru Samaha.
Bhratru Samaha.
Bhratrasamaha.
What is here? A is missing.
Yeah.
Jnanena hinaha.
Jnanahinaha.
Jnanahinaha.
Jnanena hinaha.
Vacha kalahaha. He is actually always fighting with the words. Vacha kalahaha.
Vakkalaha.
Vak kalahaha.
Vachakalaha.
Acharena nipunaha.
Achara nipunaha.
Perfect with his daily routine. Achara nipunaha.
Acharena nipunaha.
Gudena mishraha.
Gudamishraha.
Gudamishraha.
Gudena mishraha.
Do you find any difference here and here? What is happening? There are two words here. Here it is.
One word.
In that way. So associating words. Next one. Acharena shlakshanaha. Lakshana is natural. Okay. Achara shlakshanaha.
Acharena shlakshnaha.
Very good. Harina trataha.
Haritrataha.
Protected by Vishnu. By Haritrataha.
Harinatrataha.
Dharmena rakshitaha.
Dharmarakshitaha.
Dharma rakshitaha.
Dharmena rakshitaha.
Nakhaihi bhinnaha.
Nakabhinnaha.
Nakha bhinnaha.
Nakaihe bhinnaha.
Very good. Why it is nakhaihi? Why not nakhena?
Nakaihe.
What is the nakha?
Nail.
Okay. Why not nakhena? Why it is nakhaihi?
It's plural.
Yes. Due to plural, it is nakhaihi. Very good. Sarpena dashtaha. Bitten by the snake. Sarpena dashtaha. Sarpa dashtaha. Sarpa dashtaha.
Sarpena dashtaha.
Masena avaraha.
Masavaraha.
Masavaraha.
Masena avaraha.
Matra sadrushaha.
Matrusadrishaha.
Matra sadrushaha.
Matrasadrishaha.
That's it. So this is which vibhakti?
Tritiya.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Tritiya.
Okay. Tritiya tatpurusha samasa. Okay. This is Tritiya. For example, Pitra samaha.
Pitru samaha.
Pitra samaha. Pitru samaha. Matra samaha.
Matrena samaha.
Matra samaha. Pitra samaha. Pitru samaha. Matra samaha.
Matru samaha.
Matru samaha.
Matru samaha. Masena avaraha.
Mata.
Masena avaraha.
Masavaraha.
Masena purvaha.
Masapuraha.
Masapurvaha. Masena purvaha.
Matapurva.
Masapurvaha. Sarpena dashtaha.
Sarpadashta.
Very good. Sarpadashtaha.
Sarpena dashtaha.
So this is how to join the words. We are adding only two words. But today morning, Bhikshapati ji sent me a voice in which Swami said, Pratah Kale Uttishthya. What you said? Shaucha.
Shaucha karya.
Shaucha. Snana.
Yes. Shaucha snana karya.
Shaucha snana pujadikam. Do you remember this word? Shaucha snana pujadikam kritva. You said that.
Yes.
It's a long word. So you have suffix only in the ending word. What here? Shaucha snana pujadikam. This is actually a samasa. What he did? Shaucham. Snanam. Puja. Pujam. Adikam. So he associated how many words to tell this word? Shaucha Snana Pujadikam.
4 words.
Ah, so these 4 words together become one word here. Which suffix it is? And which samasa it is?
Dvitiya.
Ah, unknowingly, Vikshapati Mahabhaga added 4 words in Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasa.
Yeah.
So he might have, I think he made some conspiracy. He learned all the things and using before I teach in the class.
Not like that. Shaucha.
Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasa.
Now, when you are doing sandhi,
Hmm.
if it is possible to make a sandhi, but you do not do it, apparently it is visandhi and it is wrong. It is not allowed. So is it the same with samasa also? If you can make a samasa and you do not do it, then is it wrong and unacceptable?
It's not like that. Samasa is to join words together. For
Yeah.
example, I'll tell you, when I'm in my school times, I wrote a shloka. What I wrote? Chaturvidham Tyajet Mitram Tebhyo Bhavati Anardhakam.
Chaturvidham Tyajetu Mitram
Tebhyo Bhavati Anardhakam. Okay. Karyadrohi. Sorry, I told Mitra Drohi. Aparthi cha. Aparthi cha. Murkhaha. Murkhaha. Choro. Na samshayaha. Just this is the shloka I wrote. I just took it to my teacher and told Swami, sir, I wrote a shloka. It's my first shloka of my life. First one. When I'm studying my intermediate, I wrote this and just took it to my teacher. He just looked at it and said, very good, Raghuram, but there are many mistakes in it. What mistakes? Everything is clear. Grammatically perfect it is. He said, yes. You should say Chaturvidham Tyajet Mitram. Instead of the Tyajet Mitram, what you should do? Instead of Tyajet Mitram, it should be Tyajen Mitram. It should be a Sandhi.
Yeah.
Anunasika Sandhi. Tyajet Mitram, it becomes Tyajen Mitram. Okay? Okay. Tebhyo Bhavati Anardhakam. It should be a Sandhi again. Tebhyo Bhavati Anardhakam. Tebhyo Bhavati Anardhakam. Mitradrohi. You already told Chaturvidhyam Tyajet Mitram. You added already a Mitra word here. When you told a word, you should not repeat it. Okay? So delete this word. Mitradrohi. It is not Mitradrohi. Write it as Karyadrohi. So the Mitra word replaced by Karyadrohi. Karyasya Drohi. Karyadrohi. Which vibhakti it is? No, you should tell. What is Karyasya Drohi?
Kamchor.
Karyasya is fine. Which samasa it is?
Karyasya Drohi.
Shashti.
Karyasya Shashti Tatpurusha.
Fantastic, fantastic. Karyasya Drohi, Karyadrohi, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Very good. Apardhi cha. Murkhaha choro. It is not Murkhaha choro. It is Murkhas choro. Why like that? Because it is Chutva Sandhi. Or else it should be a Visarga Sandhi. Murkhas choro. Na samshayaha. It's fine. So now this is grammatically perfect. What you did? You divided the words everywhere. I wrote this one also. Tebhyaha. It's not tebhyo. So Chaturvidham Tyajet Mitram Tebhyaha Bhavati Anarthakam mitradrohi, apardhi cha, murkhaha, choraha, na samshayaha. I wrote like this. I divided all the words. What he did? He joined all the words, made it beautifully. So even in samasa, if you divide it, will be easy to understand, but it will be perfect when you join it together. It is not wrong, but systematically joining words is right, and divided words is easy to understand. Okay.
And when you read it, should you try to split it, or you read it as a?
See, for understanding, if you split it and read is fine. That's what. For understanding is right.
Yeah. Okay.
You are telling before already great scholars. You don't need to let them understand. They can understand all these grammatical points, right? Murkhas choro, they can divide it. Murkhaha choraha. They can mitrasya drohi, not required. Mitra drohi is enough. They'll understand. So before, in the beginning time, for beginners, if you divide and tell for understanding is fine. But for scholars, it should be always joined. So this is systematically, scientifically right. But this is right for the beginners. If you want to publish it, you should publish this, not this. Ayo, where is that? I missed the work, last week shlokas. Do you remember last week shlokas, anything? No, not this one. I don't know where I wrote. Okay, so today we practice, Swami.
Evam jivat sarvajna.
Evam jivatu sarvajna.
Swaha mrutyur bhavishyati.
Swaha mrutyur bhavishyati.
Kuru adhyanam nityam.
Kuru adhyayanam nityam.
Nityoham shashvatam iti.
Nityoham shashvatam iti. Very good. Evam jivatu sarvajna. Okay, good. Okay, Swami, it's time up. We'll catch up in the next class with all the shlokas and all.
Okay.
But I had a very good, nice discussion today.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Swami. So let us meet in the next class. And I'll just post all these samasas to the WhatsApp group. And I want you to practice, change the nouns and situations and just try to post them. We'll learn samasas also. But whenever we read shlokas, we'll be perfect in, we'll be able to practice them.
Yeah. Are there only mainly 4 samasas, Dvandva, Digu, Tatpurusha and Karmadharaya, or are there many more?
Later on, we have different samasas, but these 4 are main.
Okay.
Let us learn these 4, later we go to them.
Yeah, okay.
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 Thank you very much for today. Vande Mataram.
Vande
Datji,
Mataram.
you are so silent today. Everything fine?
Yeah.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.